Ladies and gentlemen, we have a good old-fashioned push-up competition between this gentleman right here. Come get over here. What is your name, sir?
Mike Burns.
Mike Burns. He said he's about to burn you, man. What do we?
Air Force veteran. Me too. 20 years.
You're my brother then.
Wow, thank you for your service, guys. 2 Air Force veterans. What's your name, sir?
Clem.
Clem?
Clem.
All right, look, we're gonna have a push-up competition. All right, hey, y'all wanna see a push-up competition? Yeah. Make some noise. Oh, he right to it. Okay, get down there. All right, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is insane.
Count out loud, man.
Look, we're gonna let him burn it out. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Look, he's fast, man. Look at this.
30. Oh.
Somebody eats their spinach around here. 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 40, 44. Oh, shit.
Now, where's the young guys trying to do this?
No, they got. Oh my God! What? My man. Somebody told me supermen were gonna be here. This is insane.
78.
That is insane. Listen, what is your formula? If you had a secret, what do you eat? Give us a secret.
Give what?
What's the secret? How do you say?
Every day, do something. I run a mile every day when I'm home. Sometimes a mile and a half, but I'm at the gym between 5 and 6 every morning.
Wow. That is amazing. That is amazing. Thank you for that. Wow.
That's why I did the split for you.
Yep.
Michael, the kid's gonna do anything.
How many did you do, Air Force?
We got a kid here. He says he's gonna do 80.
We're gonna do a push-up review.
He's gonna do 85 push-ups. Come on, let's see it.
He said he's gonna do it the real way.
He said he's gonna do 85 real push-ups.
He's gonna do all the way down. Oh, that's way to 1, 2. He said he's doing the real way. That's
4. Look at that, slow and controlled. 5, 6, 7, 8, 22, 23. All right. Oh my God. Never a dull moment here on board cruise ships, man. Absolutely insane. Wow.
We get you to do like 10 push-ups.
I love the gym. Gym's brand new. Yeah.
See about that, man.
Yeah, come on. Jay.
What?
Come on the camera, Jay.
All right, here, hold the mic, all right?
We got it.
We over here in boot camp.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! No me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah!